Regular NVIDIA update. So I know this is incredibly popular, so I'm going to do this frequently. So do like and follow for more. On NVIDIA at the moment, you could argue, as well as the price falling, so let's call that a bear, you've got the MACD, which is the monthly one I'm looking at. The green line is just starting to dip. Now, when that falls and the prices fall, I call it a mummy bear. When the prices fall, but the green doesn't fall, which is, it's basically a measure of short and medium term average prices, then I call that a baby bear. And a daddy bear is when it crosses over as it did here. And we're trying to avoid daddy bears because the falls can be quite substantial. So where are we at the moment? Because we want to avoid a 68% drop because we'd rather sell out soon and buy back cheaper. The danger being that if we sell out too late, we get out at the bottom. If we sell out too early, it might be that we buy back more expensive. So you could just buy and hold if you wish. And you can see the pros and cons in that chart of everything. So where are we at the moment? Well, worst case, we're in a mama bear. So we can ignore it. I mean, if you really wanted to exit, you wouldn't exit all of it. You'd probably say, in anticipation of buying back cheaper later, you might say, well, I'll exit half my position on the basis that if it falls further, I'll buy back cheaper. The danger being it just has a V-shaped recovery. You get wrong-footed, okay? Warren Buffett wouldn't sell out and buy back cheaper. That would be too close to trading. Traders would. Me, for the moment, I'm not doing anything. Yeah, it's technically a mama bear. If you've made a lot of money and it's time to rebalance because you've been in it since, well, we got in around then and you've made a 260% return, then you might say, well, you know what, if it drops X, I'll sell Y, X being 5%, 10%, 15%. It's currently dropped 20% pretty much off its highs. As you can see, that is barely a blip. We know it can easily drop 43%. And to be honest, anything after 30% drops, you want to be buying more of. So if you're going to get out, you need to get out before it drops 30%, because that's the point at which you're buying. Now, if that sounds all complicated, then don't do it that way. Just buy, hold, and wait. Right? Okay, so that is your NVIDIA regular update. And these are going to be more frequent, and I'll do it with some key stocks, sort of the bellwether stocks for you. My clients get in-depth across the board. They actually get fully blown model portfolios in totality. But I thought you might like these. Do like and follow, subscribe for more. Please make sure that you save, you repost, because if you don't, people don't see it. If people don't see the videos and the algorithm on TikTok or YouTube doesn't send it to others, then I stop doing these, okay? Because I don't want to speak to an empty room. If you don't know who I am, Alpesh Patel, hedge fund manager, author of 18 books on investing, including this, which you can download from alpeshpatel.com/links. It's got wonderful reviews from the Financial Times and Bloomberg. So do comment, like, share, because if you don't, others don't see it. If others don't see it, I think there's no point making it, right? If I get less than 3,000 views, it's not worth my time, energy, or effort. So thank you very much. I hope you've enjoyed it. You'll get more of these in the future. Thank you all.